How to change Chase Freedom to Freedom Unlimited. Is it possible? Let's find out. Chase does allows you to change your Chase Freedom card to a Chase Freedom Unlimited through a very simple process that you may already know. The most common and effective method is to contact your Chase customer support. You can just dial in 800-945-2000. Explain the representative that you would like to convert your Chase Freedom card to a Chase Freedom Unlimited. The representative may ask you some of the questions to verify your identity. That may include your account information. They may also inquire about your spending habit and reason for wanting to switch card. You must have the eligibility criteria fulfilled. That is, you must be ensured that you have history of on-time payment and your financial is stable enough to get your card changed into Freedom Unlimited. Then you will have the perk of 3% cashback or 1.5% cashback on every purchase that you make from your Chase Freedom Unlimited. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.